processes. One which is compliant with the US federal inspection teams, which are the big companies, and the other ones which are substandard, which are producing for the local population. This is the country where Union Carbide could release a gas, kill people, and the fellows could get caught free, can go away caught free. Nobody was able to pinpoint on them. I think this is the type of a situation right back in 1960s. Gunnar Myrdal has portrayed in his book Asian Drama. He very correctly pointed out two aspects of governance in India